Hi, this is Nancy Gurney again, one of the organizers of the Virtual World MOOC course that starts on August 1st and ends on August 31st. Whether you're seeing this in advance of the course or later on, this is a short tutorial to show you how to get freebies from the Second Life Marketplace. So this is our VW MOOC learner, Marcia Sue, and what I'm going to do is go to Second Life. So I'm going to change this up here to www.secondlife.com. I'm going to do Marcia Sue Resident. Here's Marcia Sue, and we're going to log in as Marcia Sue. When we get in here, we're going to click on Shopping and Marketplace. Okay, so now what she wants to do is get clothing, but she doesn't have to pay anything. So she's going to click on Apparel. She's going to click on Women's Apparel. And you can see what, and just say Women's Clothing and leave it there. And you'll notice that it's pretty risque, even for general and moderate. So she's going to click Search. That way we'll get a minimum amount of men's clothing or clothing that's made for other folks. And what we want to do is first get the items per page up to the max. So I'm going to take it up to 96. And next first low to high price. Here we go, low to high price. So we're going to start with the low. When we do that, these are featured items, so they're not going to be the stuff that you asked for. These all have costs. So we're going to go down farther, and you'll see that everything that's coming up is a 0 Linden. Now you want to avoid these guys. These are demos. They're going to, if you try them on and walk around with them on, they're going to have something on them that says that they're a demo. So you don't want to buy a demo. We're going to go past the demos. And there's a ton of them. And sometimes it takes a while. Oh, I know of a store that has some great stuff. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to search in merchant stores for a store called Norma Underwood. After you do some searches, you're going to find out who's got freebie clothes and who doesn't. There's Norma. So we're going to click on one of Norma's shops. And that's an item in her shop. And then we can go over here under her name and click on Visit the Store. And you'll see you can also do the stuff where you go $0 to $10. And she has a few things that cost more than 0. It's a cocktail dress. That looks like kind of nice. Are we still set at 12? So we want to change that back up to 96. And I think we should probably get all of her stuff when we do that. She's got a lot of wonderful things. Here's a poodle skirt and a top, 1950 skirts, and let's see what else. Oh, and she has men's, if you're a guy and you're watching this, she has some really nice classic men's shirts. Let's see these. These are kind of cool. They're all very interesting, so that's a possibility. And then here's a whole bunch more of possibles. There's a fleece package for guys. There's a couple of skirts and suits. There's underwear, there's swimsuits, winter wear. Let's see the winter wear. So there's some winter wear. You get 3 sweaters and some jammies. Now you'll notice also it'll say use it now, that it gets delivered directly to you or a friend in Second Life, unpacked and ready to use. Sometimes you'll get things in a box that you have to unpack in a sandbox, but this stuff is ready to wear basically. And it works with classic avatars rather than mesh avatars, although a lot of mesh avatars do just fine. You might have to use an alpha that comes with something else that you buy that's in mesh. Make sure it looks great. And then it tells you what the permissions are. In this case, you can copy, modify, or transfer these. There are two prim count, meaning it's just 2 prims for each of these items. And then you can do some stuff flagging it, so you can come back and see it, favorites, you can come back and see it, or that you can share that you bought this to Twitter or something. So we're going to say buy, and then we're going to click on buy now. That's the winter wear. We're going to come back out here, and you'll see that we've got your purchase of winter wear has been delivered to your received items folder. Okay, so back to your inventory. We had just said yes, so you go to My Inventory. Oh, we could go to Recent. And it shows you received items. You have it up here and you have it down here as well. Received items. And you've got winter wear. And what you want to do is move this guy up here. Put into clothing. There's the winter wear. And take a look at what we've got. Oop, it's a lot of stuff. So let's go inside and go back to the changing room and go put on our new outfit. Now, other than the fact that if you don't have any Lindens, you've got to scroll through a lot of demos till you can get something that you can actually buy. It's still kind of cool because you can get a lot of really nifty things. So she's going to put on pants, socks, a rainbow sweater, and the rainbow cowl. Oop, the pants seem to have the same icon here, so well, why won't the sweater stand? We're going to add that sweater. And then we're going to go out and take a look at what's worn. So we've got Maria's avatar. And we've got the navy blue slacks. And we've got some Christmas sweater stuff that hasn't come in yet. So we're going to just go and take a look at the pants in inventory. Oh, isn't that cute? Actually, that's very cute with those slacks. So there you go. So now we've got another outfit. And this one you picked up on the out on the marketplace in Second Life. And we're going to leave, we're just going to leave those roller skates on. Otherwise, I have to go and get her some shoes. Well, this is the other way that you can get stuff. So, happy shopping, whether you do it at a Freebie store in World or you manage to put a bunch of money in your account and go shopping with real Lindens. The exchange rate, by the way, is about I think it's like 250 Lindens per dollar. It might be a little bit better than that. So you can certainly buy yourself an enormous wardrobe for about $5 if you want to. There are also places where you can go that will give you various freebie prizes, or you can go sit in a chair and take a chance on getting a freebie, something like that. But that's your shopping experience. Lots of stuff you can do in World, and lots of stuff you can do elsewhere. So see you there. Bye now.